Okay, here are the ingredients. So first, we need the flour, butter, salt, eggs, dry yeast, sugar, and of course our fresh milk. So yeah, okay, let's put it in the middle. Sugar, all the dry ingredients, the dried instant yeast. Okay, then a little bit of salt and mix it together. Now let's put in the wet ingredients: milk, butter, and our eggs. Okay, and then mix it really well before we knead it. This is a very simple ingredients for our Spanish bread. Right, so just drizzle some flour and we will start to knead it. Knead it for about 10 minutes and yeah, we're gonna let it rest for 40 minutes to 1 hour. So yes. This can be really sticky, but as you knead, it will come together very smoothly. Okay, prepare your bowl. Don't forget to oil your bowl, and then we'll just leave it at the center and let it rest. Very nice dough we have here. Alright. Give it a little knead before you put it on the bowl, in the bowl. And we'll come back in 40 to 1 hour or until it doubled the size. Okay, so while waiting for our dough, let's do our fillings. This is the filling of the Spanish bread, and these are the ingredients. Okay, now let's put on a 1 whole pack of butter. And then breadcrumbs, brown and fine sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of milk. That's it for our filling. We'll just put it inside the Spanish bread later. This is a very easy, one of the easy bread that I want to bake. Okay, now back to our dough. Let's check it. Okay, looks nice. Here it is. Just give it a little stretch before we punch it in and remove all that air inside the dough. Alright, punch it in. Okay, give it a nice punch. And ready your filling, and we are going to assemble our Spanish bread. This recipe is so tasty. Okay, don't forget to flour your table, your working table, and just get a little piece of the dough. Knead it for a little bit, give it a nice knead before we divide it into two, so it will be very easy for us to make the bread. Okay, so let's divide it into two so it will be easy to work with. And we want to use equal parts of the dough, so the end product will be the same size. Okay, just leave the other part and let's work on this part. So let's divide it around 50 grams each. We want to do this so we can work on our dough fast. There we go, 50 grams. Alright, and do this to the rest of the dough. There you go. Just exact. Okay. You can deal with that. 51 grams. Okay. 51. Okay, these are ready. Make sure you flour the table, and we want to make a triangle-like shape. So when we roll it, it's like a crescent, but not really. So we want a triangle shape. Use the rolling pin to do it. So here you can see my very own technique. This is just my second time to make a Spanish bread, but this ingredient is so good. So just put in the fillings all over the triangular shaped dough, right, and then flatten it, spread it evenly. And it's very important not to put fillings on the side because we will seal the side, so it will not get out of the bread when we bake it. So yeah, and while I do this, enjoy the music. Okay, roll it from bottom to top, and then prepare your bread breadcrumbs and roll it over the breadcrumbs, just like Filipino traditional Spanish bread. There you go, nice and clean, and do it to all the dough like this. Very beautiful. We will allow this to rest for 40 to 1 hour, and after 1 hour, it double its size like every bread. Okay, so we're gonna bake this 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and it should be ready. Okay, see you. For 5 minutes, then we're done. So I'm busy. I really want to taste this. Still hot. Good. Bye. Okay, ready to give away to our receptionist and guards. It's okay, love. Magkalasa naman yan eh. Okay, time to go. Okay, time to go. Bye, love. Time to go. For you. I made that for Kat. Okay.